Well, here's a little bit more tree damage video here from Kalamazoo. You see the workers down here on Linton Street. Big time tree fell down there. And this limb right here is laying down across these lines and everything right in people's front yard. Yep, a little bit of damage there. Okay, we'll be right back. Looks like something may be damaged down here too. Oh, they're working on the streets. Okay. Murder site right there. We see all the stuff around that pole. Well, thanks again for watching. See all those places? You never know what you're gonna find, right? A little bit more damage here and there, but we're glad it wasn't any worse than what it was. That's for sure. We'll see you in the next one.